Hello everyone, in this video we are looking at another example of application of laws of indices. The guiding question is as follows. Given that 2 to the power 2x minus 1 plus 3 out of 2 is equal to 2 to the power x plus 1, find the value of x. We are required to find the value of x. Now therefore, if we state this equation again, 2 to the power 2x minus 1 plus 3 out of 2 is equal to 2 to the power x plus 1. If I simplify this, I split it into indices, I will have 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power negative 1. If I want to get back here, it will be 2 to the power 2x plus negative 1. Because if I have the same basis and I'm multiplying, I'll always add powers. So I will get back here. So that is the rule I'm using. 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power negative 1 plus 3 out of 2 is equal to 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 1. So I put these two outside. I create a bracket here so that I will have 2 to the power x to the power 2, which is the same as this. Then times 2 to the power negative 1 plus 3 out of 2 is equal to 2 to the power x times 2. This is 2 to the power x, then brackets 2 times 2. Then remember 2 to the power negative 1 is the same as a half. So this will be times a half plus 3 out of 2 is equal to 2 to the power x, then times 2. What does that mean? I cannot proceed, or much as I could proceed, it will be difficult for me to solve this equation when I have 2 to the power x. Therefore, I let this to be another unknown for simplicity, so that I have 2 to the power x equal to y. Then I substitute where there is 2 to the power x, I substitute there y, and I solve that equation in terms of y. Therefore, I will have y squared out of 2 times. I will have y squared out of 2 plus 3 out of 2 is equal to 2y, because I've put wherever there is 2 to the power x, I've put y. So I want to simplify this equation, so I multiply by 2 here, I multiply by 2 here, I multiply by 2 both sides, so that I cancel this and that and that, so that I will have y squared plus 3 is equal to 4y. When I rearrange this, it will be y squared. I want this 4 to cross to the other side. I have y squared minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. I arrange it in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation that I can use several methods to solve. In this problem, I'm going to use factor method. So by factorization method, I need to look at this equation. The sum is negative 4, the product is 3. The factors therefore are, I need factors which I multiply and I get 3. When I add them, I get negative 4. So it will be negative 1 and negative 3. So it means if I bring them in this equation will, in terms of its factors, it will be y squared minus y minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. If I factorize out y here being common, it will be y into y minus 1 minus. Also, let me factorize 3, negative 3 out, so that I have y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, I factorize out y minus 1 times y minus 3, and this is equal to 0, which takes us to the solution whereby we see that either y minus 3 is equal to 0 or y minus 1 is equal to 0, which gives us y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Remember, we are told to find the value of x, so we can now use the case 1 where y is equal to 3, so that we find the value of x. So 2 to the power x, remember, is equal to y, so it is equal to 3 for y is equal to 3. Therefore, 2 to the power x is equal to 3. If I take log to base 10, I will have an expression like this. Log 2 to the power x base 10 is equal to log 3 base 10. It means this one will be like this: x log 2 base 10 is equal to log 3 base 10. Then I make x the subject of the formula, and I have x equal to log 3 base 10 divided by log 2 base 10, which is approximately 1.6. Case 2, let us find the x for y is equal to 1. So for y is equal to 1, 2 to power x is therefore equal to 1. Remember, any number to power 0 is 1. So since there is 1 here, I can create a similar base so that I equate the powers. So 2 to power x will therefore equal 2. Since the base is 2, I'll make a base here as 2 and I power it to 0. Therefore x is equal to 0. Therefore the values for x will be x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1.6. Thank you so much.